Ooh, Rebecca asked a good one, and I see this all the time. She says a big part of resistance to trying blended learning is fear about the time it takes to design these lessons. And you are absolutely correct. It is going to, especially initially, take more time to design a blended learning experience. It is so much easier to roll into a classroom, review the homework, talk at kids, tell them about something, demonstrate how to do something, and then transition them to practice. It is much more challenging to architect learning experiences that position learners at the center of the experience and give them more control over elements like pacing and path. And yet, we talk a lot about equity in education. As educators, I think all of us value that. We want to make sure that there is an equitable learning experience. But equity is about making sure that individual learners are getting the specific inputs they need to reach a particular output. And we know those inputs are different for different learners, yet many of us are still designing a single experience for a really diverse group of learners. So my recommendation is acknowledge that there's going to be more time spent on your design work, but hopefully these lessons we're designing are freeing us from being trapped at the front of the room talking, orchestrating the parts of the lesson, and really allowing us to connect with learners and pull some of those time-consuming tasks like giving feedback, grading student work into the classroom where they can be opportunities for us to connect with learners. So more time on the design side, but hopefully less time dragging things like feedback and grading home.